Welcome to our TNC channel. Today we're going to explore Brugg, a small but historic town right in the heart of Switzerland. Right now we're crossing a small footbridge in Windisch, just next to the local sports complex. We're honestly amazed by the beauty of this town. It's one of those places that surprises you, not because it's loud or flashy, but because it's so effortlessly beautiful. And the more we walk, the more we fall in love with it. As we cross this bridge, we find ourselves above the Aare River, one of Switzerland's most iconic waterways. The Aare winds its way through the heart of the country, connecting mountains, lakes, and towns like Brugg along its journey. Here, it flows quietly, reflecting the trees, the sky, and the stillness of the moment. As we wander through this landscape, we're completely surrounded by beauty. This place doesn't try to impress you. It just is beautiful, natural, simple, and peaceful. As we stroll down these quiet streets, we're surrounded by beautiful houses, each one with its own character, history, and story to tell. Their colorful facades, classic shutters, and quaint details create a picture-perfect setting, inviting us to slow down and really take it all in. Walking here feels like stepping into a living postcard, one where every corner sparks a new moment of wonder. While we wait for the bus, we take a moment to soak in the peaceful beauty around us. The river flows gently beneath the old stone bridge, its timeless arches reflecting perfectly in the water. It's a quiet spot where nature and history come together, inviting us to pause and simply enjoy the view. Sometimes the best travel moments happen when you're still. And here comes the bus, right on time. We're all set to continue our adventure and see what's next on this beautiful day. We've just arrived at our next stop, Bözberg, one of the most beautiful and peaceful areas around Brugg. Surrounded by rolling hills, forests, and open countryside, Bözberg feels like a quiet escape into nature. It's the kind of place where the air is fresher, the views stretch for miles, and time seems to slow down. Let's take a walk and explore the beauty this hillside village has to offer. Bözberg isn't just beautiful, it's quietly magical. Every path here leads you deeper into nature, through thick pine forests, open meadows, and gentle hills that stretch toward the horizon. This area is full of hidden gems, like centuries-old farmhouses tucked behind stone walls, peaceful forest chapels, and panoramic viewpoints where you can see all the way to the Alps on a clear day. One of the region's true treasures is the Jurapark Aargau, a protected natural park that surrounds Bözberg, offering countless walking and cycling trails for those who want to connect with the landscape. And it's not just the scenery. There's a deep calm in the air here, a feeling of stillness, of space to breathe, to think, and to simply be. In a world that moves too fast, Bözberg reminds us to slow down and appreciate the beauty that's quietly waiting to be found. Bözberg is more than just a beautiful hillside village. It's a place where nature, history, and Swiss rural life come together in perfect harmony. Here, rolling green hills give way to wide open fields, dotted with traditional farmhouses and quiet trails that wind through the forest. It's part of the Jurapark Aargau, a protected natural paradise that's home to rare plants, wildlife, and breathtaking viewpoints over the Jura Mountains and beyond. For hikers and cyclists, Bözberg is a dream, with scenic routes that take you past vineyards, historic chapels, and spots so peaceful you can hear nothing but the wind through the trees. In the autumn, the hills turn golden. In spring, the meadows come alive with wildflowers. Every season here has its own magic. Bözberg isn't just a stop on a map. It's the kind of place where you slow down, breathe deeply, and feel connected to the land around you. The more we walk, the more we come across small local villages, each one calm, quiet, and unhurried. Life here moves at its own gentle pace. The streets are still, the houses well kept, and the sound of nature fills the air. It's a peaceful rhythm, a reminder that in places like this, simplicity is a way of life. You can spend hours exploring the villages around here, each with its own charm and hidden corners. But for today, we decided to head back and catch the same bus, taking with us the quiet beauty and peaceful memories of Bözberg. The scenery here never really lets you go. It stays in your mind, calling you back. But for now, it's time to move on and explore the other places this journey has in store. And now we're back in the city, right where we caught the bus earlier. It feels like a familiar place now, but with fresh eyes after our time in the hills. Let's keep exploring and see what else Brugg has to offer. Now we're making our way to the top of the hill. A little climb that promises a big reward. From up there, we'll have a better view of the city. Its rooftops, the winding river, and the hills stretching out beyond. Sometimes, to truly see a place, you have to look at it from above. We keep going further up, passing through a small town where life feels quiet and unhurried. The streets are still, the houses well kept, and the fresh mountain air makes every step feel lighter. It's the kind of place where you instantly feel at peace, and where the journey is just as beautiful as the destination. From the top, the view is breathtaking. The city stretching out below, framed by rolling hills and open skies. The river winds gracefully through the heart of it, catching the sunlight as it flows. A living thread connecting past and present. Up here, everything feels calm, yet alive. It's a view worth every step of the climb. Now we've made our way back down from the hill, and we're ready to explore more of the city, this time along the same riverside we admired from above. Here, the water's beauty feels even closer. The gentle sound of the current, the reflections of the old bridges, and the life of the city unfolding beside it. It's the perfect place to keep our journey going. And that brings our day trip to an end. It's been a beautiful journey through nature, history, and the quiet charm of Brugg. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you again in the next episode.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content.